Hello everyone, welcome back to the cottage. A little bit chillier than yesterday. Yesterday it was like almost plus 30. We were in shorts and t-shirts, and this morning we woke up and it was a little bit cold. So we're back to sweaters and jackets and pants. So what can I say? It's life at the cottage. Alright, so for the project today we got the little garage here. Underneath we got the cement blocks that hold it up and keep it level, but they're starting to sink into the ground a bit, and they're not so level anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack up the garage, and I'm going to level those out, and then we'll just place the garage back down. So let me get set up and we'll get right into it. Okay, well, again, my famous phone just keeps fucking up again while I'm trying to record something. So I did it all and it didn't record it, so I'm done. It's frustrating. I need a new camera. It's starting to drive me nuts because this is driving me nuts. You know, you do this work and then your footage just disappears. I gotta start saving up for a new one. So I dug them out, I leveled them off, and I put them back. So not too exciting to watch. I'll go find something else to do because this obviously wasn't a long enough video. So let's go find something else to do and I'll show you. Alright, so I found something to do. I gotta fill up the water tank, so I'm gonna show you how I do that. So let's go check it out. Alright, so here's our water tank. Obviously I just hooked up the hoses and I started the pump, and now it's pumping into here. So here's what we do. We got a hose that's all the way out at the end of the dock, comes into here, and it fills it in here. Now once it's full, we put a little bit of chlorine in it, or bleach, Javex, whatever you want to call it. So this fills up. And then what we got going on here is a small RV pump. And so the water comes out of here, and the pumps it up into here. And it goes all the way across. And then it goes over here into our hot water. And this is our bladder, so that we have water pressure in our water system. There's a balloon inside it. And when you fill it up, the water and the balloon together create a pressure, so that you have pressure in your pipes. And then we have hot water, obviously. See it, there it goes. See the little bleep? That means it's going, it's working. So yeah, so this takes about 8 minutes to fill up. As you can see, the water is slowly coming up. And we have to do this every 2-3 days, depending on how much water we use, how many showers we take, dishes we wash, all that stuff. So I'll go back down and yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll see how long it takes to fill up. Okay, so the water's done pumping in. So what we have to do now is I turned the pump off down at the dock, but now before I pull any of the hoses out and stuff, we're gonna come in here and we have to pull this out. Otherwise it creates kind of like a vacuum and starts sucking the water from the tank back out to the lake, and then we don't want that. So I just kind of hold it up and let it empty a bit, and then we just pull it out. Put this back underneath. And that's it. I already put the Javex in. It's still leaking. That's okay. Anyway, so we put the Javex in. Clearly we don't drink from this water. It's just for washing and stuff like that. So our own drinking water we have to bring in. And we have a water cooler as well. So do that. So now we'll go unhook the hoses down at the end of the dock, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Alright, that's it for this episode. Thank you for joining me. Wasn't much going on, you know. Maybe if I would have recorded the part where I fixed the garage, maybe a little bit better, but oh well, you got to see a couple of things. So anyways, thanks for joining me. Have yourselves a good week. Take care of each other. Be kind to each other. Stay elevated, and peace out.